Hello everyone, my name is Polash Kumar Bora. This is my first video lecture on trigonometric function. Here I will be dealing with these topics. So let me begin by taking the word trigonometry. As you can see, trigonometry is the word consisting of three words: tri, gono and metry. Tri means three, gono means sides, metry means measurement. So we can say trigonometry is the study of the measurement of three sides of a triangle. You see, when we are talking about trigonometry, mainly we are dealing with right angle triangle, right? But why we are dealing with right angle triangle? Let me clarify that first. Let me consider one triangle. So as any kind of triangle can be splitted into right triangles, that's why we are mainly dealing with right angle triangle. Okay, now here you see, let me consider one right angle triangle. The side opposite to 90 degree is known as the hypotenuse. Suppose I'm considering one angle to be theta here. The side opposite to theta is perpendicular, and as you can see, the one side associated with theta is the hypotenuse and the other side is known as the base here. Here I'm considering some collection of words. Those are favorite to me. I like those words very much because that helps me to remember all six trigonometric ratios. Okay, let me consider what are those collections. Some persons have curly black hair, turns permanently black. From here, we can remember all trigonometric ratios very easily. That you can see here. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. You see, from the word sum, I have borrowed the first letter, that is S. From the persons, I have borrowed the first letter, that is P. And from the have, I have borrowed the first letter H. So that means I have highlighted the first word of every letter by red color so that you can remember very quickly. If I talk about cos theta, that is nothing but b by h, that means base by hypotenuse. And if I talk about tan theta, then it is perpendicular by base. So very easily we can remember those. Now the question is, do I have any angle greater than 90 degree? Can we talk about any angle which is greater than 360 degree? Can I talk about any angle which is equal to 720 degree? Of course, we can talk in trigonometry. But till now, whatever the angle you learned, in those cases, the maximum angle is to be 360 degree. But in trigonometry, we can have angle more than 360 degree. Okay, those things we'll be discussing one by one. Let me talk about positive angle. In trigonometry, we can talk about positive angle and negative angle. Let me explain what does positive angle means. Suppose I am considering one ray. The name of this ray is known as initial side. Suppose it rotates in anti-clockwise direction and comes to a certain position. Actually here what is happening, the same initial side goes to that position. The name of that position is known as terminal side, and the point along which it is rotating is known as the vertex, and the angle so created is known as the positive angle. The same way we can define negative angle also. The initial side and it rotates now in clockwise direction. As you can see, already I said that position is known as the terminal side and O is the vertex. Then the angle so created at the vertex is known as the negative angle. Let me revise once again that when the angle is created in clockwise direction, it is negative angle. When the angle is created in the anti-clockwise direction, it is the positive angle. Now, let me talk about one full rotation. Suppose I have the initial side and it takes a full one complete rotation. That means the initial side and the terminal side coincides. The angle created at the vertex is one full rotation, and that is equal to 360 degree. Let me talk about some of the angle of degree measure. In the first one, you'll be able to see that angle created is 180 degree. And the second one, you'll be able to see the angle created is 270 degree. And also, as I said before, that we can have angle greater than 360 degree. That can be seen here. That is more than 360 degree. And also I said about negative angle, that you can see here. This is moving in clockwise direction. The angle so created will be negative angle here. Now let me talk about the smaller angle of degree measure. We can also have angle, smaller angle for degree measure. We can have that, you will be able to see here. As I said before, that full complete one rotation is 360 degree. That means we can say 360 degree is equal to one full rotation. Now from here we'll be able to find the angle of 1 degree. What will be 1 degree? 1 degree will be equal to 1 by 360 of full rotation. Now the question is, as I said, smaller angle of degree measure, do I have angle smaller than 1 degree? That means, can I divide 1 degree angle into more smaller parts? Of course we can do that one. That can be seen here, that 1 degree is equal to 60 prime. That means 60 minute. That prime represent for minute here. This minute is completely different from our time. Don't be confused with that one. Again, this minute can be make it smaller division. That can be seen here. 1 prime is equal to 60 double prime. That means 60 second. Double prime represents second, single prime represent minute. Let me talk about radian measure. Suppose I'm considering one circle of radius r. Suppose that radius rotates and the arc length that creates is equal to the radius of the circle. If that is the case, that means radius of the circle is equal to the arc length, then the angle so created at the center of the circle is known as 1 radian. And this is the definition. You can see there that angle subtended at the center by an arc of length equal to the radius of the circle is said to have a measure of 1 radian. Let me talk about relation between degree measure and radian measure. Twice pi radian is equal to complete one full rotation. This is the relation between degree measure and radian measure. Whenever we don't have any confusion regarding the radian measure, we can skip the word radian. From next time onwards, we will not be writing the word radian. Even if we will not be writing the word radian, like if I write twice pi is equal to 360 degree, it must be understood that twice pi means twice pi radian. I can make it smaller. If I take half of twice pi, then it will be pi radian, and pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is a very important result that needs to be remembered. Even we can go for further smaller angle. Pi by 2 is equal to 90 degree. That means I am dividing pi by 2, 180 degree by 2, that becomes 90 degree. Not only that, we can take pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 6, pi by 9, pi by 12, whatever you want to take, you can take it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can comment me, and at last, thank you for watching.